like?
Jasmine.
Jasmine!
That's kind of sweet.
It is a whole new world.
Yeah.
Seriously, Daddy, we're gonna go shopping for carpets.
Yeah, that was good. Cowboy number 2, let's see if you can do as well. Sally Mae is a Disney princess. Which one do you think she's most like?
Maybe a new one, bearded lady.
The bearded lady.
Well, like I said, time to put that horse down.
Yeah, no. He was
just put me down.
Yeah, no, I know, but he was confused, sir. You think about what you
the cute ones are always dumb.
Yeah, well, maybe I didn't explain it very well. Let me try better. Cowboy number 3, you know the Disney princesses, right?
Yeah.
All of them left to choose from. After hearing Sally Mae, which one do you think she's most like?
The bees.
The bee. No. She meant Belle.
Doesn't matter. Either way, he's going to be my guest to a meeting.
Yeah, no.
I guess to
You can't just get him. Well, these folks are looking.
Turn around.
Yeah, no.
No, I gave him a free one at the beginning with the chicken answer, but now he's getting sassy.
I know he is.
And it's no way to treat a lady. I am woman, hear me roar.
Yeah, I know. Sally, let's hear it. How about we just refocus and get to the last question?
The last question. Now, let's say at this point that it has worked out between us, and we've gone to get married and go on our honeymoon. That's what I'm saying. Follow me, pals. Now, this is what happens. We go on our Mark Twain honeymoon cruise. What romantic song would the husband sing to me?
All right, Cowboy number 1. Imagine that you and Sally Mae on your Mark Twain romantic honeymoon cruise. What love song would you sing to impress her? Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Yeah.
Back him up. We're going to Fantasyland.
See, Disney's always a good choice.
Jolly Holiday with Sally.
Yeah, that was good. Cowboy number 2. Chance to redeem yourself, you and Sally Mae on your honeymoon cruise. What love song would you sing for her? He doesn't know any love songs.
He needs private singing lessons.
Yeah, no, now.
I'll give it to him.
I should let you, but never mind. We don't have to worry about that. You forget number 3.
And I'm trying to.
We cut it out. Cowboy number 3, you and Sally Mae on your honeymoon cruise. When you look and see her, a love song pops in your head. So tell me, what romantic song would you sing?
Who let the dogs out?
Who let
This kid is like a Jedi.
Cut it out! That's a little funny, doesn't it? Number 3 says...
I heard what he said.
All right.
That's right. 3 strikes, you're out. Who punched your lights out?
Yeah, no. I told you can't do that. You have to remember, this is the happiest place on earth.
That would make me happy.
Yeah, no, maybe. We're not trying to make you happy. We're trying to get you a husband. So listen, which one of these fellas do you figure is going to fit the bill?
Oh, yeah, he fits as plain as the nose on our faces. But I tell you what, why don't you get a second opinion from these people?
That sounds like a great idea. Let's ask